Alright, y'all did a great job of doing the tutorials and participating in the various activities on this lesson. Great job. Now let's talk about your project. You are going to do your own mandala. You're going to, as always, choose how you do it and what materials you use to create it with. Okay, so you can do this on paper, you can do it outside on the pavement, you can use recycled materials, you can, like we talked about, the rocks and the leaves or the art materials, whatever you want to create your mandala with, you're free to do so. We talked about collage, sculpture, painting, drawing, so choose how you want to do it. Now, it's going to be graded because it is a mandala. It needs to be radial, it needs to have radial symmetry, which means it needs to be same in all 4 sections. Okay, you can do more sections too if you want to. You can do 6 or 8 sections, but they need to be same in every section. All right, whether it's sculpture or drawing, it needs to be the same. You're also going to be graded on if you use details. Remember, we talked about the art challenge this week, which is creating details. Okay, so make sure that you are adding lots of details and not just blank space, and also fill your space. That was from last week. Okay, so create your mandala. Also create a flip grid to show off your work. I did fix the link for the flip grid. Sorry about that, guys, but it is working now. And then don't forget to upload to Google Class. And if you need any help, as always, I am here for you. Please email me, call me, visit me during my Google Meet office hours, which is 11 to 11:30, the link in our Google Classroom. Please get a hold of me if you need me, okay? All right, I can't wait to see your work next week. Bye.